I had been to an estate planning seminar, and one of the gentlemen gave me the name of Anderson because we wanted to have an entity set up. So this was back in August of 2003, and we set up our first entity, a little subchapter S company that for the first number of years Catherine used for some consulting work that she did and contract work and all of that. And so as we kind of progressed through time, we got to the mid to late 2012 time frame, and that's when Catherine came up with the idea for the car cache, and we began the process. So we spent a couple years after the licensing and put a foundation in place. We self-funded it as we grew, and during that time frame, I think was where we really re-engaged with Anderson, because suddenly we needed monthly financial statements, and we needed somebody to keep our books, and we needed guidance on various aspects, business advice as we began to grow it. So Clint was who we first worked with back in 2003. And then as we were going through and putting the pieces together for the business and scaling the product, as I mentioned, we needed support in a number of different areas. And something for me that's always been important is dealing with people is having one-stop shopping for services. And for us to be able to blend the bookkeeping and the tax accounting, other areas, was very comforting. And some of the things that I just really liked beyond the one-stop shopping with Anderson were, I just had this real trust in them. The people that we dealt with, besides just being absolutely down-to-earth, friendly people, extremely knowledgeable, but more important, the sense of urgency of any little request that we had, they were just on it. I mean, that means all the world to us, because those little things as small business people are extremely important.
There's no question there is a comfort in the stress. There's no stress.
Absolutely.
I mean, they've saved us so much money in certain areas that I know we could not have done. No, sorry, honey, but you probably couldn't have done it without Anderson. Sorry.
Nobody knows everything. Yeah.